Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best coin magnifier is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious coin collector, hobbyist, or even someone who just found an old coin and wants to know its story. It allows you to see the intricate details, subtle minting errors, and historical markings that are invisible to the naked eye, transforming a simple piece of metal into a window to the past and a potentially valuable asset. Without a good magnifier, you're missing out on the full appreciation and potential discovery that coin collecting offers, making it a crucial investment for anyone looking to delve deeper into numismatics. Number 5. Elikliv LCD Digital Coin Microscope 1000x EDM4. Experience stunning 720p HD visuals on a large 4.3-inch screen. Its 8 adjustable LED lights ensure a fully illuminated view, reducing eye strain for comfortable extended use. This powerful magnifier allows you to zoom in and explore the finest details of your subjects. Discover a world of intricate patterns and textures like never before. Effortlessly connect it to your Windows or MacBook for a larger viewing experience. Share live images with others and easily save your findings for later analysis. With 8 adjustable LED lights, you can achieve perfect illumination in any lighting condition. This ensures clear and detailed observations, enhancing image quality significantly. Perfect for inspecting coins, jewelry, stamps, and more. It's also a fantastic tool for STEM education, textile inspection, and quality control. The height-adjustable stand allows you to easily set the perfect viewing angle and achieve precise focus. This flexibility ensures clearer images tailored to your needs. Featuring a built-in rechargeable battery, enjoy up to 3 hours of continuous use. Its portability makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor adventures. What we like. Experience incredible detail with its large, crisp 4.3-inch display that reduces eye strain. The 8 adjustable LED lights ensure perfect illumination for any subject. If you are looking for a comfortable and well-lit viewing experience for extended use, this is the one for you. What people say. The Coin Magnifier has a clear lens that provides a sharp and detailed view of coins. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and use on the go. The built-in LED light illuminates the coin surface, enhancing visibility and allowing for detailed examination even in low light conditions. Number 4. Elikliv EDM4 Max Coin Microscope. Discover the Elikliv EDM4 Max, your gateway to the unseen. This powerful tool brings the smallest details into sharp focus, perfect for collectors and curious minds. Experience stunning 1080p Full HD visuals on its 4.3-inch LCD screen. With 8 adjustable LED lights, it ensures every detail is captured with exceptional clarity and true-to-life color. Zoom in from 50x to a remarkable 1000x magnification. Explore intricate details on coins, jewelry, and other collectibles with impressive precision. Connect effortlessly to your Windows PC or MacBook for a larger display. This makes sharing live images and documenting your findings on your computer incredibly easy. The height-adjustable stand allows you to customize the distance for optimal magnification and focus. Achieve the ideal angle for precise imaging every time. From inspecting circuit boards and jewelry to skin analysis and STEM education, its uses are vast. It's also an ideal gift for hobbyists, students, and professionals. Easily record photos and videos of your findings with the built-in camera. Simply insert a memory card to start saving and reviewing your discoveries. What we like. Enjoy stunning 1080p Full HD clarity on its 4.3-inch screen, a significant upgrade for detail enthusiasts. This model also allows you to capture photos and videos directly, perfect for documenting your findings. If you need to record and save your observations for later analysis or sharing, this microscope is an excellent choice. What people say. The Coin Magnifier is a great tool for examining details on coins. It provides clear magnification, allowing for easy identification of mint marks and other features. The built-in LED light is very helpful for illuminating the coin surface, especially in low light conditions. Number 3. JARLINK 2-pack Illuminated Jeweler's Loupe. Uncover the hidden beauty in your collectibles with this powerful magnifying tool. It's designed to bring even the smallest details into sharp focus. Explore different levels of detail with multiple magnification settings. You'll have the perfect view for every item, from tiny gems to larger coins. See clearly in any lighting condition thanks to the integrated LED and UV lights. These lights provide excellent illumination, ensuring you don't miss any important features. Whether you're a jeweler, coin collector, or stamp enthusiast, this tool is essential. It helps you identify and appreciate the finer points of your treasures. Crafted from durable materials, this magnifier is built to last. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry with you wherever your collecting adventures take you. This set comes with everything you need to get started, including multiple lenses and extra batteries. You'll be ready to examine your items right away. What we like. Get incredible value with 2 different magnifiers, offering up to 90x magnification and a useful UV black light. Its compact, foldable design makes it easy to carry anywhere. If you need versatile magnification options for detailed inspection of gems, coins, or stamps on the go, this dual pack is ideal. What people say. The Coin Magnifier is a great tool for examining details on coins. It has a clear lens that magnifies coins effectively. The built-in light helps to illuminate the coin surface for better viewing. Number 2. 30x Loupe Magnifier with 6 lights. Crafted from solid zinc alloy with a sleek black finish, this magnifier is built for durability. Its robust construction ensures it can withstand daily use without easily sustaining damage. Enjoy effortless magnification with its fixed focal length, requiring no adjustments. Simply place it on your desk, position your item, and observe the fine details with ease. Equipped with 3 white lights for detailed observation and 3 UV lights for currency detection. Easily switch between lighting modes with a simple press of a button. Achieve 30x magnification with its 0.98-inch lens, perfect for intricate tasks. It's ideal for watch repairs, jewelry inspection, coin and stamp examination, and reading fine print. This compact and lightweight magnifier comes with a soft artificial leather case. It protects the lens and makes it convenient to carry and store wherever you go. The scaled base not only aids in positioning your object but also allows for precise measurement of item sizes. This dual functionality enhances its utility for various applications. What we like. This magnifier offers a unique hand-free desktop experience with a built-in scale for precise measurements. It features both bright white LEDs and UV lights for versatile detection. If you are working on detailed tasks like watch repair, coin examination, or intricate crafts where stability and measurement are key, this desktop magnifier is your best bet. What people say. This magnifier is great for examining coins. The magnification is clear and allows for detailed inspection of coin features. It's a useful tool for coin collectors. Number 1. Aopick 4.3-inch Digital Microscope. Experience stunning 1080p HD visuals on a large 4.3-inch LCD screen. This device provides real-time, crisp images and smooth videos without any lag, reducing eye strain during extended use. Uncover the finest details with flexible zooming capabilities from 50x to 1000x. Get closer to your subjects than ever before and discover hidden intricacies. Unlike many others, this microscope works effortlessly with both Windows and Mac OS. Easily connect and use it across your devices for photo and video capture, with storage for your findings. Equipped with 8 adjustable LED lights, it ensures optimal illumination for any subject. Simply rotate the dial to fine-tune the brightness for clear and precise observations. Enjoy up to 3 hours of continuous use on a single charge thanks to its rechargeable battery. A quick 2-hour charge provides ample power for portable inspections anywhere. This magnifier is perfect for a wide range of tasks, from inspecting circuit boards and appraising collectibles to repairing watches and quality checks in industries. It's a valuable tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. What we like. This microscope stands out with its compatibility with both Windows and Mac OS, offering a seamless experience across devices. The 1080p HD display provides sharp visuals, and the rechargeable battery lasts up to 3 hours. If you're a Mac user looking for a high-definition, portable digital microscope for detailed inspections, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The Coin Magnifier is a great tool for examining details on coins. It has a clear lens that provides excellent magnification for identifying features. The built-in LED light helps illuminate the coin surface for better visibility. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.